Hello students, this is my 7th video on the essay Building an Internet Culture by Philip Egger. In the previous part of the essay, we had come to know that the writer, with a progressive approach, recommends the use of internet in society. At the outset of the essay, he tells us how internet is useful for the social progress and what is needed to use this technology in an appropriate way. The writer explained that to use technology like internet, the best starting point is with people, as we need a coherent community of people and the way they think together for the use of internet. He also suggests us that putting everyone on internet does not ensure that they share their thinking with each other. The applications of internet will work if the technology and the culture of the institution mesh together. Otherwise, it will be of no use. The purpose of social connection also affects to the adoption of a new technology. He says that practices of social networking are also different and they are knitted into the larger workings of a society. For promoting the use of internet, the writer offers 10 conclusions that can be useful or that can be guiding points for the development of culturally appropriate internet policy in a country. The following are the conclusions that are given by the writer. The first point is resist the standard sales pitch for new technology. The writer advises us that we should resist or we should protest the standard sales pitch, sales height for new technology. This sales pitch, which is found in every part of the world, sales pitch means how a thing is being sold. This sales pitch, which is found in every part of the world, plays on your fears of being left behind by technological change. The writer says that this height of sales, this height of the thing being sold, which is found in every part of the world, this height of sales plays on your fears, plays on our fears of being left behind by technological change. We feel a fear that we will lag behind in technological field when we see a thing is being sold at a high pitch. It treats all of your experience and common sense as obsolete things of the past. When we see a thing is being sold on a high pitch, it treats all of our experience and common sense. We feel that our experience and our common sense is becoming obsolete. Obsolete means old, a thing of past, and invites you to release your grip on the past by buying lots of technology. When we see that a new technological thing is being sold at a high pitch, at a high speed, or then we begin to release our grip on our experience and common sense, and we run behind others and we buy lots of technology. We try to buy the new things of technology. Unless you have a coherent plan that builds on your experience and common sense, However, buying a lot of machinery will not save you from being left behind unless you have a coherent plan. Coherent means an appropriate plan or a proper plan that is built on our experience and common sense. However, buying a lot of machinery, if we buy a lot of machinery when we see the others that they are buying the machinery, and if we do not use our experience or our common sense, it will not save us from being left behind. The writer wants to say that it is good that we pursue others in buying the new machinery, but we should also use our experience and common sense in everything. The second point is, do not spend vast sums of money to buy machinery that you are going to set down on top of existing dysfunctional institutions. Do not spend vast sums of money. The writer says that we should not spend much money to buy machinery that you are going to set down. The machinery which we are going to establish on top of existing dysfunctional institutions are those institutions that are not in working position. The writer says that if we intend to set down or establish machinery in uh, in the institution that is not in working position, we should not spend much money to buy machinery for such institution. The internet, for example, will not fix your schools. The internet, for example, will not fix means improve our schools. Perhaps the internet can be part of a much larger and more complicated plan for fixing your schools. It is we can say that internet can be a part of much larger and more complicated means complex plan for fixing your schools. We want to improve our schools, but simply installing an internet connection will almost surely be a waste of money. But if the institution is not in a working position, then if we install or establish or we continue internet connection in that institution, that will surely be a waste of money. The writer in this point wants to say that if we want to use the internet in any institution, that institution should be in working position, and if that institution is not in working position, then if we buy the machinery for that institution, that would only be a waste of money, and then internet will be of no use at that place. The third point is, focus on developing people, not machinery. The writer says that we should have more focus on developing the people, not on buying the more machinery. Learning how to use the internet is primarily a matter of institutional arrangements, no technical skills. Learning how to use the internet. If we want to learn the internet, that is a main or primarily a matter of institutional arrangements. That is an arrangement that should be made by institution, no technical skill. First of all, the institution should arrange such people who are who know how to use technology. Therefore, invite proposals for demonstration projects that enable your institution to learn how to use the machinery. Therefore, invite proposals. First of all, we should have the people who have the knowledge how to operate the machinery. Therefore, we should invite, or an institution should invite, proposals for demonstration projects. They should demonstrate their projects or plannings how to use that thing that enable your institution, that would be helpful for your institution to learn how to use the machinery. Once the institutions are ready to digest large amounts of machinery, the machinery will be cheaper. In this point, the writer wants to say that we should not uh, intend to buy only machinery, but first we should make arrangement of the people, or the institution should make arrangement of the people who have the technical skill or who have the knowledge of operating that machinery. Such type of people, or such kind of people who know how to use technology, should be called for the demonstration of the machinery. Once the institutions are ready to digest large amounts of machinery, once an institution is ready to digest means to use large amounts of machinery, the machinery will be cheaper. If the machinery is being used by the people, that machinery will become cheaper. That will not be a burden on the institution.